विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण 11वीच्या इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक्सचा टॉपिक त्याच्यामधले बरेच कन्सेप्टचे व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला पाठवत आहोत. आज आपण या ठिकाणी 2 डेरिवेशन घेणार आहोत. एक पहिलं डेरिवेशन आहे जे की बोर्डामध्ये 3 मार्काला विचारलं जातं. याच्यावरचे प्रॉब्लेमसुद्धा 3 मार्काला असतात आणि याच्यावरचा CET, नीट आणि JEE या सगळ्या कॉम्पिटेटिव्ह एक्झाममध्ये याच्यावर प्रश्न पडू शकतो. असा अतिशय इम्पॉर्टंट कन्सेप्ट आपण आज घेणार आहोत. तो आहे टॉर्क ॲक्टिंग ऑन इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल in a uniform electric field. टॉर्क म्हणजे मोमेंट ऑफ कपल असतं. टू डिटरमाइन द इक्वेशन ऑफ टॉर्क ॲक्टिंग ऑन इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल इन अ युनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. नाउ consider a uniform electric field. It can be represented by parallel lines and they are at equidistance and only the arrow is on one side. This is the uniform electric field of intensity E. Now consider a electric dipole AB. Here A and here B. Negative charge, minus Q be the charge at point A, plus Q be the charge at point B, separated by a distance 2L, making an angle of theta with the direction of the field. Then what happens? When the electric dipole is kept in an electric field, then this electric field acts a force on the charge. Therefore, a force of magnitude QE will be act on positive charge as well as on negative charge. But the force acting on positive charge is in the direction of electric field, and the force acting on negative charge is in the opposite direction of electric field. Here, the two forces equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, they are at a distance of AP apart. If we have to draw the perpendicular, meet at point P, then what happens? These two forces can rotate this dipole. This is called a rotating couple, or it is also known as a torque, and hence torque is given by definition. Torque is equal to one force into perpendicular distance between two forces. Now we have to see what is the value of one force, that is QE, and what is the perpendicular distance, that is BP. From figure, sin theta is equal to BP divided by AB. Sin theta is equal to BP divided by AB. This implies that BP is equal to AB sin theta. But AB is equal to 2L, hence that is equal to AB sin theta. Hence the torque is equal to QE into 2L sin theta. But by definition, the electric dipole moment is the product of charge into distance between the two charges. Therefore, it is equal to P E sin theta. This is the equation of torque acting on electric dipole in a uniform electric field. There are three cases for the torque. First is when theta is equal to 90, sin 90 is equal to 1, hence tau is equal to Pe, means maximum torque will be acting on a electric dipole when it is placed perpendicular to the direction of uniform electric field. Case number 2, when theta is equal to 0 or 180, sin 0 is equal to 0 and a torque is equal to 0. Means the electric dipole is parallel to the electric field, then at that time there will be no torque acting on the electric dipole. Case number 3, if theta is equal to 90 and E is equal to 1, then tau is equal to P. Now, electric dipole moment is also defined as, from this equation we have to define the electric dipole moment, that is electric dipole moment is also defined as the torque acting on electric dipole when placed perpendicular to the direction of electric field of unit intensity. In this way, we have to see the maximum torque, minimum torque and a definition of electric dipole moment, which is asked in the MCQ as well as in problems. Okay, thank you.